Hello all my YouTube friends. I have made one journal, actually two, but that other one I have not get just ready. Anyway, this one is 7 teamed and I have used digital kit, and I will put the link below whose kit and where you can get it. Let's start. I don't know if my camera will last till the end, but anyway, I have now done different kind of a cover to this journal. There is fabric in here and cardstock covers, but I haven't sewed down this pages to the spine. It's fabric. You will see when we get more open this book. Anyway, there is some trim and lace and little decoration that I have get from someone, and backside is this is fabric. There is some soft things in there, so it's like soft, some trim and so on, seam binding closer, and this is now this kind that you can put it flat. You can write anywhere and it's flat. So let's start. This is some paper that I have printed years ago, and still I try to use my leftovers, but this digital kit I have bought recently. Anyway, there is a lot of really beautiful pictures. I have sewed down some lace, and all papers again are tea-dyed, and I have stamped and made lines there. Lot of pockets, and these are infrared from that kit. That is lace pocket. I have done again a lot of fussy cuts, and these pictures are so beautiful. This is pocket from the kit. I have sewed down some lace, and there fussy cut pictures, and also napkin decoupage there. And this is again page from the kit, and that is fussy cut. There is again lot of space to write. I like my journal so that you can write in there also. So there is little envelope where is extra paper like that, and again pocket, and I have sewed down some lace. I hope that this will show. There is some fussy cut picture, again little glassine bag, and there is, this opens up, there is pocket, this is middle of the signature. By the way, I will put something hanging in this. This is not ready yet. There is a big pocket where you can put something, and also in here there is side pocket. This one is from the kit, There's glassing back. Some napkin decoupage. This was really fun to make. There's re-signature in this journal, so this is really thick. That was first signature. So you can see I have glued down these first pages. So there start next signature. There is some envelopes and extra papers that are from that kit also. I will put link below to that lady's YouTube channel where I have learned how to make this new kind of journal binding. It was fun to make and easy, and now you can flat this book. It won't stay that like this. It gets totally flat. There is little pocket and two more. Again, Pussycat picture. This is glassing back, and this is middle of the signature, and these trim I also will make better. Envelope and this opens up. There is more space really, and I hope that this shows. I don't have good light now. It's dark outside, and even the daytime it is kind of dark. We don't have we have only little snow in the ground, so it's kind of dark this time of year. So that was last of the second signature, and this one is last signature. It goes on same way. This is fabric pocket where I have sewn some lace, and there is this one. There is also a little bow hanging on there. Little decoration. This opens up, so you can write in there, and there is also something in here. Extra paper in this envelope. Can lay some. There is okay. This opens up now, so you can write in there. And middle of this signature is envelope. Pocket, and there is also something in this envelope. Like that. So you can see it's really beautiful digital kit. Lace pocket, and it was fun to make something different this time. like that. There it is. It's quite thick. And so I'm sorry that I haven't made so much in the load so much anything in my YouTube channel, but I try to make more journals. Still I haven't opened Etsy shop because postal fees are so high, and I don't think that no one will pay so much that I have I don't know how to say, but anyway, if you are interested in some of my journal, you can send me message or comment below and we can talk about it. But this is only my hobby, so maybe all these journals stays for me and I will write them. At least I have a lot of space to write, because there is lot and lot journals in my cabin. So thanks for watching, and I will link that digital kit and lady who I learned this spine. So and Happy New Year's also for everyone. Thanks. Bye.